Venus does have life today, not the human life as we know it. And in one of Dr. Urich's scrolls, I used the term Dr. Urich because that was the pen name he used for that particular book, called, two books if I'm not mistaken, Mission Earth scroll and Man from Planet Riz scroll. And he talks about the beings from Venus who came to Earth to warn the president, I forgot which president, not to trust certain other beings, mainly the Pleiadians and the Aldebaran, because the Pleiadians and the Aldebaran are the blonde-haired beings that Hitler often speaks about. They met with, I forgot which U.S. president, about laying down America's weapons in exchange for technology. And then another group of extraterrestrials came from Venus. Thor was the leader, and he came with three others, I forgot their names, and they were telling the American government not to make deals with the Aldebaran or even the Pleiadians because they would deceive them. But that's what he speaks about, the beings from Venus.